Alright, how's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. And today, what I have for everyone is my fit and sound demo of the Boltune Truly Wireless Earbuds, the 4th generation. So this is my fit and sound demo with the Boltune BT-BH024s. Alright, so what we're going to do today in this video is I'm going to give y'all a fitting demonstration followed by 2 audio tests. One audio test we're going to check for leakage, and then the other audio test I'm going to attempt to give y'all a nice audio sample. Then what I need you to do is down below in the comments, I want to know your guys and gals feedback. Did you hear any leakage during the video? And what did you think of the overall audio performance of the earbuds? Let me know the answers to those questions down below in the comments. Alright, also I wanted to let y'all know that I am using my clip-on microphone here today, which is right there. So that's what I will be holding the earbuds up to try and capture the audio. And this one may get a little bit tricky because the earbuds themselves have a start-stop feature on board. Alright, so we're going to try and attempt to do this. Now, starting off, I want to give y'all a nice fitting demonstration here. But before I do that, I want to give y'all a close-up of the earbuds. So, as you can see, here's a nice close-up of the earbuds you're going to see on the screen now. And I gotta say, overall, I really do like the overall build and design. I think it looks very eye-catching, and it definitely looks appealing. But I'm not a fan of the design for 2 reasons. One is the slippery, glossy materials, and 2 is the implementation of the touch-sensitive controls. I'm not a fan of the design for those 2 reasons, but overall I have to say, visually it looks very appealing. Alright, so good stuff there. Alright, now putting the earbuds in my ears here, as you can see, I'm going to show you real quick. Now I have the large earbud tips on, and as I said in the unboxing and first impressions, you definitely want to take the time to find the right size earbud tips for your ears, because that helps with the overall comfort for extended listening sessions, and that also helps with the sound isolation. Now with the large tips in, I have to say these earbuds are very comfortable, and in terms of sound isolation with music playing, I can't hear anything but what I'm listening to. And even with the music off, I can hear my voice, but it's extremely muffled. So overall sound isolation, in my opinion, is pretty good. Alright, so let me show you. Turn it to the right. Here's a shot of the right earbud. And I gotta say, I like the overall look of this. It's very discreet and it's very comfortable. So here's the right. Okay. And then here's the left. Okay. Alright. Now what I'm going to do is we're going to start playing the music, which I've already set to 100% volume. And this first audio test, as I said, we're going to be checking for leakage. So let's go ahead and push play on the copyright-free music. And let me know if y'all pick up any leakage here. Here we go. Oh yeah. That build to the bass drop be like, ooh! The way that bass hit, boy. Alright. I don't want to make this video too long, so let's keep it moving. So that was a real quick leakage test for you guys and gals, and let me know what you think. Did you hear the leakage from the earbuds? Let me know. Alright, now the next test I want to do for y'all is I want to attempt to give y'all a nice sound sample. Now, this is going to be a little bit difficult because, as I said, the earbuds themselves have a sensor directly on the inner part that controls the pause and play functionality. So I'm gonna have to pull them out real quick. The music is gonna pause, and then I'm gonna have to push play again. And you know what? It might even be faster if I just pull them out first, then reach over and push play, and then hold them up to the mic. So we're gonna try that. So let's pull them out. Okay, gotta cuff these with one hand, which is extremely hard because they're very glossy, very slippery. And let's push play. Try not to drop them. Okay. And now let's attempt to hold them up to the mic. There we go. I did it. All right, we're gonna do this for about 30 seconds to a minute, starting now. All right, that should be good. You drop these back in. And let's push pause. All right, so there you guys and gals have it. Real quick audio test for you guys and gals. Real quick fit demo for you guys and gals. Now, what do I think of the overall sound quality, the volume, and the bass? I'm going to reiterate this again in the full review. But in terms of the overall sound quality, these are really good. It's very crisp and clear throughout with nice instrument separation between all the instruments. So you could definitely hear the drums, you can hear the bass hit, you can hear the cymbals, and it's very nice and punchy overall, giving it a really nice and deep bass. So in terms of the sound quality and the overall volume and the bass, I have to say Boltune has done a great job. This is kind of reminding me of the overall sound quality and performance of the first generation. Those are one of my favorite pairs of earbuds, and I still recommend them to this day. So the fact that Boltune was able to take that platform and build upon it is really, really good. All right, so good stuff there. All right, that pretty much does it for this video, guys and gals. Let me know your thoughts and your opinions down below in the comments. Let's get into a nice, respectful conversation down there. And let me know how you think these earbuds performed in your opinion. I'll meet you guys and gals down there. That being said, I hope everyone had a great day. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, y'all know what to do. Y'all stay safe out there, and I will catch you guys and gals in the next one. Have a good one. Peace. We out of here.